Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about something really important in the world of business and finance, attestation engagements. It might sound like a complicated term, but it's actually about building trust and credibility in information. An attestation engagement is essentially when a professional, like an accountant or an auditor, issues a report on subject matter that is the responsibility of another party. They check this information to provide assurance to others. To break it down, let's look at a few key aspects. First, there are always three parties involved: the practitioner, who is the one doing the checking and reporting, the responsible party, who is the one providing the information or making the assertion, and the intended users, who are the people who will rely on the practitioner's report. Second, we have the subject matter. This is what the practitioner is actually evaluating. It can be many things, not just financial statements. For example, it could be a company's internal controls over financial reporting, its compliance with specific laws or regulations, a financial forecast, or even a sustainability report. Third, there are the criteria. The practitioner needs a benchmark or a standard against which to evaluate the subject matter. These criteria must be suitable and available to the intended users. For instance, for financial reports, the criteria might be generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. For internal controls, it could be a framework like COSO. Fourth, the practitioner gathers sufficient appropriate evidence. They don't just take someone's word for it. They perform procedures, examine documents, and ask questions to collect enough reliable information to form their opinion or conclusion. Finally, they issue a written report. This report communicates their findings, opinion, or conclusion to the intended users. There are also different types of attestation engagements, each offering a different level of assurance. One type is an examination, which provides a high level of assurance. Here, the practitioner performs extensive procedures and expresses a positive opinion, such as, "In our opinion, the internal controls are effective." A financial statement audit is a form of examination. Another type is a review engagement, which provides a moderate level of assurance. The procedures are less extensive than an examination, and the practitioner expresses a conclusion in a negative form, like, "We are not aware of any material modifications that should be made." Lastly, there are agreed-upon procedures engagements. In this case, the practitioner performs specific procedures that the user and the responsible party agree upon. They simply report the factual findings from those procedures and do not provide any assurance or opinion. Attestation engagements are crucial because they enhance the reliability of information, helping various stakeholders, from investors to regulators, make informed decisions. They add credibility and reduce information risk. I hope this explanation has made the concept of attestation engagements clearer for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to support the channel. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thank you for watching.